Hello, Dave. Here is the carburetor that needed the throttle rework. I've taken care of that, made some adjustments to it. All looks very good. Testing and further adjustment have gone well. Look down inside. You can see she's pretty dry down there. No leaks. Alright, let's go ahead and fire it up. Down the side again. Works that well. Let's look at some numbers. Idle RPM is about 650. Let's run it through a couple times. And there's the idle RPM I had set in, about 675. Vacuum is at 23. Excellent. Fuel pressure I'm running about 3. And just so you know, there's the dwell, 42. All right. One more time. I think you'll like this one.